So what we're proposing as farmers is that we go ahead and we are shown what the value of the carbon tax is as a line item on every invoice, and then we go ahead and pay it, claim it back just like a GST refund, because GST is considered a goods and service tax, which is a consumption tax. And from a carbon taxation perspective, we believe that a carbon tax should also be a consumption tax. And in doing so then, farmers can, and the farm community can do benefits to society by bringing forward beneficial changes on our properties with the help of the province, with the help of society. And it's a win-win for both the province and for farmers.
Now, why a refund instead of, say, a flat-out exemption?
Yeah, the refund perspective is a little bit better from the perspective that as a retailer, let's say in town, who is selling parts at a counter, the exemption wouldn't necessarily hold weight if the fellow who is buying parts, the retailer wouldn't necessarily know if he is actually a farmer or if he isn't a farmer. And the farmer then would just take his parts home and use them appropriately and claim for them appropriately. If he used those parts on his personal car, he would have paid his fair share of tax. If he would have used them for his farm business, he would claim back the carbon tax. And it's a fair representation of how carbon tax could be rolled out.
And finally, just your take-home message for farmers here today.
That's a fantastic opportunity. We're looking at it both as a public policy perspective, as well as a need to protect the interest of agriculturalists and the related businesses. Rural Manitoba depends on something like this coming forward, and that's why we came here today. The more people who understand this and the more MLAs who understand this, the better.